In today's video, I'm going to teach you our incredible feature of Claude 3.5 Sonnet, debugging a code. We'll walk through a simple flow to get from a blank browser to a helpful, actionable debugging response. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the tool, frame your request clearly, paste your code, and submit it for a thorough analysis. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and hit enter. This is the quickest way to reach the official site. When the results appear, look for the listing that points to Claude AI. Always double-check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate page, as that ensures your code and queries are handled securely and you're using the real product. Click into the Claude website. You should land on a clean interface where you can start a new chat. If you see a new or start option, that's the place to begin a fresh session. Claude 3.5 Sonnet is designed to reason about code, diagnose issues, and propose fixes, so it's a great companion when something just won't run or produces unexpected results. Now it's time to make your prompt. In the message box, write a short, clear request that says, you'd like help debugging the code you're about to paste. Give context first, what the code is supposed to do, the language or framework, and the environment details that matter, like the runtime version. Then paste the full snippet that's failing, not just a single line, so the model can trace the flow. If you have an error message or stack trace, include it directly under the code. You can also add a small example input and the output you expect. A neat way to preserve formatting is to enclose your code in triple backticks, so indentation and syntax are clear. Avoid including any secrets or credentials. If your code references them, mask those parts. Once your prompt looks complete, click Submit. The button may appear as an arrow icon or a labeled button at the bottom right of the chat. Give the model a moment to analyze. You should receive an explanation of what's going wrong, references to the specific lines that matter, and one or more corrected versions of the code. If anything is unclear, ask for a step-by-step fix or request a minimal working example. If the first try isn't perfect, refine your prompt with extra context and submit again. That's the entire flow. Search, open Claude, craft a focused, debugging prompt, paste your code, and submit. Follow these tips, and you'll turn tricky bugs into clear, solvable tasks with Claude 3.5 Sonnet.